Yo, what's up, everyone? We are back. So yes, please do your own research, not financial advice. So yes, we will be going over today. Got to fix this camera really quickly. But yes, I do want to go over what ended up happening today, and also what I'm looking for a little bit later for today. So yes, we will be going over pretty much everything. I'm going to pull up this live chat, so this other live chat, really quickly. And then we will be getting started here. Alright, so one second. Pulling up that here. Alright, cool. Alright, so let's see. Alright, cool. Yes, telling the team we're on live now, TikTok live now at everyone. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. So appreciate you all tuning back in. So yes, obviously we're going to go over the Qs, IWM, SPY, all these trades here. What ended up happening for today? Yes, the Qs. Obviously, yes, we ended up finishing that full move. I ended up getting that nice scalp. Didn't end up finishing. So yes, we end up finishing that 608 and then that 607. As you can see, yeah, we did take another leg down though, into this empty space. So yeah, ended up having this extra move here. So yeah, we ended up breaking, closing under this cost basis area. And yeah, we ended up flushing straight into that first and that final TP there. For something new though, so yes, we had that nice little drop on the Qs. There could be, hold on, let's see. Possibly 30-minute chart. Okay, I got it. So I kind of want to get rid of all this. And yeah, we'll start pretty much fresh on it. So yeah, as of this second here, got a nice little empty space move. So pretty much the same exact thing that we've all been looking at every single day. So same exact move here. We got this nice top, nice bottom wall here, and yeah, right under us, we got a nice, hold on, so that bottom wall will be around that 597.82. So that's what I'm seeing there for that next move. Hopefully this happens by tomorrow. Maybe we can end up gapping down. It looks really good. Not saying we will gap down, but if we can, that's what I'm seeing. Doesn't look too bad. What are your thoughts about this week for what? Overall or just on this? So on this will be just my next move for this downside. Obviously, we could end up building some structure on a higher time frame. So basically, yeah, we ended up creating more empty space. So eventually, I'd like to take that to the upside once we can build some structure. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. That is on the Qs. Look at GM. All right, cool. Yeah, no worries. Let's see here. So GM. All right. So yeah, let's go to a 24-hour chart. All right, hold on. Let's see. Actually, yeah, let's go to a higher time frame. So higher time frame. Okay, chart-wise, nothing really stopping us. Yo, Chow, what's up, bro? Arm, yep, got you, bro. No worries. All right, so yeah, nothing really stopping us. What I can see is, yes, we do have some empty space that is currently below us. It doesn't look bad. So yeah, as of right now, yeah, we got some empty space. So nice little box here. Right under this box, we got this nice little gap down. If we can get this nice little break under this 66.52 area. So nice little break under there. We have empty space, which is down to this red candle there. So entry, exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. That is at 62.59 area. But yeah, I mean, on a higher time frame, there's literally nothing stopping us to the upside. I just don't trade like that. But it does look good if we can get that downside movement. Not too bad. All right, so ARM, OKLO, Yes, we will be pulling up Tesla. We'll go over IWM as well. Okay, let's see. So yeah, as of right now, and obviously, yeah, we had a great day. So I don't really want to get into any more day trades. Do want to wait for a swing. I know Tesla has its earnings too as well. Let's go ahead and get rid of all of this. I do want to start fresh here. So yes, nice fresh charts. Okay, I can see something here. So it looks like there's a little box here. And yes, right below that. So right below this bottom wall here, we could end up seeing this 155 area. So yeah, that's the next thing that I can see. Looks like, yeah, you know, I've already missed this move pretty much, so I will not be participating in this. Maybe unless there's like a little pullback, but yeah, if we could end up finishing that move at 160.43 and then possibly that 155.31. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. It doesn't look too bad. So yeah, that's on ARM. All right, so yes, that's there. Also, yeah, I do want to go over IWM. IWM was a beautiful trade that we ended up having today. Yes, we had this empty space here, clear gap up, no consolidation. We got that nice break below, and yes, that ended up being a nice little play for us. You can see also BYND, great trade there. So over a couple 100% on that little play, and then yes, you can see also what a few of the members did on IWM. And shout out to my guy Jay. Was struggling before. I saw the PBS thanks to shout out to Rugs, me. So you can see one member's up what 3K just this week. So just in the past week. So a nice little beautiful day, honestly, for the next move here. And I'm kind of glad it didn't happen because maybe this could happen tomorrow. So hold on, let's change the song there. But yes, we still got some empty space below us. So we got another box here. Honestly, there's another little gap here that I can see. So what I'm referring to that I'm wanting to take, so under that 241, we get that nice break under there. We got that empty space. So down to that 238 and then down to that 236. Yo, Rachel, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So yeah, right now we're still stuck in that box. Obviously, yes, we had this nice gap under us before. Clear gap up, no consolidation. You can see, you know, when we pretty much called this one out. IWM puts, this was right in the morning, and then yes, we ended up calling it out when it was time for it to happen. So IWM puts, we had that nice little break, and we ended up hitting that target. It went way past that. Obviously under that 241, same exact thing, just a little bit different. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. So that is something for tomorrow. All right, so yeah, let's keep on going here. Yo, Chuck, thanks for the follow, man. I really appreciate it. All right, so OKLO, we'll take a look here. I think we already... All right, we did not take a look, I don't think. Yo, Glock, thanks for sharing the live stream, bro. Really appreciate it. He said, how was your day? Dude, yeah, it was a great day, man. Can't even complain for sure. He said they're trying to distract you with Donut and other meme stocks. Put the house in. Yeah, that's crazy. Honestly, man, we already caught that today. I get it. We could end up going a little bit further, of course, but yeah, we already had a beautiful entry on this. We caught this one just yesterday. You can see yesterday, BYND, we end up having this nice breakout side of our wall. And yeah, so we need above that, what, 310. Obviously that 482 was that final. Obviously we went even higher than that. So it was a good move. Nice couple 100% on that. You can see a couple of members ended up hitting this one. BYND today, 400% on that trade. Shout out to the ladies too as well. Priscilla, shout out to her. And shout out to my guy Jay. So up 3K just in the last week. Was struggling before. Shout out to the mods, me. Without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. And yeah, boom. So obviously the next thing I can see here on BYND above that 1002, we could see that 1164. Yo, Madison, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. All right, now let's see. We did IWM. I do want to take a look at where Nike is. Let's take a look here. So Nike. All right. Yeah, we got this one pretty much there. Okay, so we did this on a 2 hour, 1 hour. 1 second here. All right, so yeah, 2 hour chart here. Same exact thing. We got some empty space that is currently above us. Honestly, yeah, above that 69.20. That's what I can see there. So right now we are pretty much in this box. So we do want to see that nice break outside this wall into this empty space. Doesn't look too bad. Not too bad. All right, so I do want to look at BA. SOFI. We'll take a look at, obviously we got to go over Tesla again. So, okay, 1 second. I got to get my notebook. 1 second, 1 sec. All right, yeah, we're good, we're good. We are here. All right. Just writing some things down. Wait, give me 1 second. All right, so yeah, I got a couple good ones that I'm seeing here. He said plus Weeble was doing some dumb. I'm almost thinking that I can in my positions, there's no point. He said it's kind of back. Alright, so not bad reading all the chats here. Alright, so SOFI, Tesla, IWM, DraftKings. I do have to write this one down too as well. So this one I'm also waiting for. You know, it doesn't look too bad, honestly. So yeah, I get it. We had a nice little move here. Just what, yesterday? I do want to get rid of this so no one is confused of what I'm looking at. But yeah, what I see here, same exact thing. We got this empty space above us, this clear gap down. So honestly, I'm ready to catch this move. I do have my alerts pretty much set. I don't think we will get this one today, but if it does happen, yeah, I'll definitely participate on this. Get this nice clear move down, no consolidation. Do want that nice break into that empty space, which looks really, really good. So yeah, not bad at all, not bad. He said you do options, trying to find. So yes, John, we do options, mainly options inside of the Discord. Obviously, each play that we end up taking, it'll be an options play, of course. You can end up taking it on futures too as well. But yes, mainly options. You can see what we did today, what we did on BYND, what some members did on IWM. See, they end up catching that Q's play. You can see how we post plays. If they hit, they hit. If they don't hit, then that's fine. See, IWM puts, we give pretty much everything we're looking for. But yeah, you can see this is options. Another member's up, what, 3K just off of this week. So yeah, we pretty much post everything in the chats when the time comes. Yes, for the day trades, it'll be in the day trading alerts. Obviously, swing trades, and it will be in the swing trading alerts. And we get in. If we hit the targets, cool. If we have to get stopped out, that's fine. But you can see what a lot of members are pretty much doing. So just in the past week, up 3K. So yeah, not bad. Not a bad little day here. BYND was the play of the day. Maybe the play of the week so far. But yeah, honestly, if you do want to even join just the free chat, the free Discord is there. You can even watch my free live streams. I'm live pretty much every day. But yeah, the link is in the bio. We do have the VIP too as well. But yeah, free chat is there. Make sure to ask your questions if you have any questions. All right, so for Tesla, we do have some earnings on this. All right, I do want to look at some earnings plays too as well, not just Tesla. Hold on, give me 1 second. All right, let's fix this camera though. So after close, we got IBM. We got some. So LUV2 as well. TMUS, AL. Oh yeah, we got some good ones to look at. I don't know if I really want to play Tesla just because I don't really, you know, care about this one too much. I get it could make a move, but I would rather, you know, take it during the day if we can. I can see, yes, we ended up hitting, you know, this first TP. So same thing here, clear gap up, no consolidation. We broke and closed under our wall, which led us into this downside here. So yeah, that ended up working out great. The only thing that I can see is we could end up finishing this move down to this 426. Above us, 453 up to that 466 there. So yes, it is today right after close. Oh, let's see. Why not box that choppiness? So what, this, I could definitely box that up right here. But yeah, I can definitely see us if we reject this 437. I am kind of favoring the downside though. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing there, to be honest. So yeah, we'll keep on going. I do want to look at a couple other ones as well. So we got, obviously, LUV. I do kind of want to finish this upside here. So I feel like we could end up finishing this upside. So I might just end up seeing if we can do that. I do want to see that 35, 54, and then that 37, 17. But yeah, we go back to the box. We got this little gap down, probably to this 31.83. But yeah, I do like that upside there. Looks really good. All right, so that's that. Also, TMUS is before open tomorrow. We have AAL. We got IBM as well. All right. Yo, Authentic dude, yeah, I did, bro. I was just happy to catch, you know, a piece of it. IWM did this thing for us too as well. So, man, yeah, great day. I can't complain. Yeah, no complaints here. Obviously, yes, got stopped out on Lulu. I really wanted that swing too as well, but yeah, if one play doesn't work, it's fine. Obviously, you know, can't win them all, but yeah, we focus on that higher time frame. We focus on those same exact plays. Boom, we get those entries. So shout out to all even the new members, some of the OGs. Shout out Darth Trader, pretty much OG. So yeah, pretty much it. Shout out to all these other members catching that IWM as well. All right, so anyways, TMUS. Let's take a look. Okay, TMUS. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad. So what I can see here, so the setup is there, but it's not triggered yet, if that makes sense. Honestly, this looks like a really good for a regular entry. Let's see, 1 second here. So we do got this nice box. We get this nice break above this top wall here. We could potentially see this empty space that is right above us. Doesn't look too bad. Let me look and see up to this, possibly this 237. So that's what I see there. Entry, exit, middle of the move. Doesn't look too bad. So yes, right now we got this clear gap down, no consolidation. If we can get this nice, if we can touch that 230 and break outside of it, yeah, we got this empty space above us. So that is on TMUS. All right, so that is there. We'll keep on going. So we did IWM, let's look at IBM. I want to see if there's any decent setups here. All right. I feel like this could be a nice box so we could finish this upside. Looks like there is a little bit of empty space move here, but nothing too crazy. We shall see how that will play out though. I probably won't end up taking that one since it's kind of already happened. All right. All right, let's see. He said, do you think BYND will rise again? Honestly, I mean, it definitely could. I'm not going to say it won't. But for me, we kind of already hit our target, so I personally don't care about it. I get it. It could end up, getting this continuation. It would be great, right? But for me, we kind of already hit our targets. The only thing I can see is above to that 1002 to that 1164. But yeah, we ended up smacking that. I kind of spammed this in the Discord yesterday. See yesterday, BYND where we were. All targets end up hitting. BYND Lotto. So we ended up swinging that into the next day, and that swing ended up getting that nice pace. So yeah, we pretty much post all of our setups, and for me, if a play's already kind of happened, so you can see the before and then the after, I personally just gonna not trade it. But yeah, that was pretty much it. All right, so AAL, let's take a look here. Let's see if there's any decent setups. All right, hold on 1 second there. When did you get in? Today. And yes, just remember, guys and gals, please do your own research. Not financial advice. Not telling anyone to get into any trades, any plays. So yes, you all have to do your own research, of course. All right, so AAL, I do want to see his. Okay. AAL. Okay. I will say, with this, we do technically, yes, we have a great move here. This looks good. But from the future, or not future, but from the past earnings performances, it doesn't really seem like it performed that well. I would love for it to explode above this, 1359 up to that 1638, but I don't think we'll get there. But if we do, yeah, that's what I'm seeing. So that is on AAL. All right, so yeah, I want to look at a couple other ones. So we got what? Tumas, BX. Hold on, I got BX2 as well. Let's take a look. QS. Yo, Marco, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Appreciate all the follows, guys and gals. And yes, give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to get me some more water. So everyone knows, commercial break as of now. So yes, 1 second here. If you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP. Link is in the bio for everything. If you don't want to join, no worries at all. So yes, I'll still be on live. But yeah, just give me 1 second and just make sure to do your own research. All right, cool. Yo, what's up, everyone? So yeah, if this ended up pausing, my bad. I think I was getting a call or something. All right, so yeah, so we'll keep on going here. Let's take a look. We shall see a couple more of these trades here for the end of the day. So QS, anything that's worth it? Don't really see anything. Feel like that move kind of already happened. So yeah, we'll be moving on from that. So yes, we went over IWM. So yes, we went over BYND as well. Want to take a look at AMD, where we are at currently. All right, so AMD. All right, I'm not seeing anything there yet for a swing. So yeah, we're gonna have to skip out on this one. Do see a couple, a little bit of empty space that is, above us. That doesn't look bad. So yes, we do have this clear gap down here, no consolidation. Obviously, yes, we would need to build some structure. So nice top, bottom wall there for that empty space. QS, UNH. All right, so yeah, I see maybe one or two decent swings for the end of the day. But yeah, we'll have to see how that will play out. So yeah, let's see. All right, cool. So for UNH, yeah, let's take a look here. So yeah, let's go to a... Yo, Ray, what's up? Yeah, I got you. My bad, guys. All right, so what? BA, and then IWM. All right, I got you. All right, so for UNH, this is what I'm seeing here. All right, so this is. I'm just gonna be honest. It doesn't look bad. We do have empty space above us, so top, bottom all here, right above us. Personally, I would try to take it up to this 364 area, and yeah, if we can do that, it looks good. So yeah, at that 360, right above there, we do have that empty space that looks really good. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want, and that is that 362. So, as for right now, yeah, clear gap down, no consolidation. Do want to see if we can get that nice, clear, easy break to that upside there. So it looks pretty decent. Not too bad. So that is on UNH. Kind of like that. Not too bad there. All right, so for BA. All right, I'm going to be honest with you. Yes, I'm still waiting on this. I get it. There could be a nice little, gap, little gap there that we could end up going into. Not really seeing the best box on that time frame. I mean, there could be a nice, not gonna say the best box, but there is a nice, Potter box here. It's just like a smaller move, I would say. Still, okay if we can, get that break above. Has to just be very clear. That is above that 215.40. That's what I can easily see. But yes, right above this 217. So this is the move that I am waiting for currently. So yeah, above that 217 area, if we get that break above, we want to see that 225. So that's what I can see there. All right, so IWM, we'll take a look there. So yeah, IWM, for that next move, we got, obviously, yes, we have this nice gap here that I'll be, going into, hopefully by tomorrow. Obviously, buyers took control. So under that 241, do want to see this empty space that is obviously below us. As you can see, yes, above us though. So maybe I'll have to tweak this tomorrow, of course. We do have a lot of empty space up to that 245, but we'll have to see how that will play out. My next move that I'll be watching, so I'm gonna get rid of this so I don't need it. But yes, above that 248. So basically I want to clear all this consolidation here in order for me to target to this upside. And if we can do that, it looks really good. I'll definitely end up trying that if we can. So that is on that IWM. So yeah, just like all of our plays, obviously you can see what we did today. BYND, see what one member did there. BYND, over a couple 100% there. See what we did on IWM. So yeah, those puts ended up doing great. So yeah, you can see all trades are the same. You can see how we call trades out inside the Discord, whether if it's a swing or if it's a day trade. And yeah, we end up getting in. Was struggling before I was talking this PBS, thanks to Rug, Glock, and Flip Bros. Without you guys, wouldn't be possible. So yeah, one member made what, 3K just in this past week. So this was just today. He was posted just today. Shout out Sky Guy. Got to give my guy some likes too as well. So yeah, you can see what happened on IWM. If one trade doesn't work, that's fine. We get into the next trade, the next play. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I got a lot of typing to do. So yes, gonna work on those end-of-day swings inside the Discord. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. If you guys do want to join the chat, the Discord is in the bio. You can join the free Discord or the VIP. If you don't want to, I will be on live so tomorrow morning before market opens. So yeah, make sure to tune in for that free live stream as well. So yes, either see you inside the Discord or in my next live chat. So yes, thank you all so much. Hope you all have a blessed one. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.